Would you like to create more dynamic slides and learn to add animations? Or how about branching scenarios and interactive content? Learn how to create an interactive experience for your learners. If you want to create better presentations, the answer: you can do it in Google Slides. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create clickable hotspots to branch navigation and how to add animations to your slides. Let's begin. Now, the first thing we want to look at is how to create a clickable hotspot. A hotspot is, in essence, a link, an icon, an image, which when you click on it, takes you to another slide or a link, a web page, or anywhere you have hyperlinked it to. So first, I will start by creating an icon that takes you to your home page. If you have an interactive slide, you always want to get back to the start. So the first thing we will do is create a home icon, and we can do this by inserting an image. I usually search the web. You search for home clip art, and when you insert, you can then resize your image, and remembering that it will be a button or an icon that you will press, so you can make it small, and from there you can now create a hyperlink. So you will select the same image, and it is in essence creating a link within your slide. Now you have the option to make it a web page if you like, or choosing a slide in the presentation. You can choose whichever slide it is. So let us find a home page. So it will show you which slide it is linked to. You click apply. You will notice it is highlighted there or shown there. And when you are in present mode, you will be able to click your home icon, and voila, you're taken to your home page. So to use these clickable hotspots, you can create a branching menu which will allow you to decide where you want to go, and it will in essence be adding more hotspots to your page. Now, if you want to create a simple menu, for example, I have this image already on my slide. I can add a shape that will become clickable by inserting shapes, and let's say I just want to put it over my menu item. I can resize, I can make it transparent and no line or border so that you won't see it, but it is there, and I can do the same by adding a link and by inserting a link once again. I want it to go to the next slide. Right here, I could have a menu, and let's add some text boxes. These text boxes, of course, you can make them as you like, and you can then do the same to make it branching. And if you have all these slides already prepared, so they would click on instructions, of course you would again make it a link, and that link would go to another slide. So let's say the next slide, apply, and then if you had another activity, that would again insert link and make it another slide and apply. So when you are then in present mode, you'll be able to click on your instructions, and whatever is on that slide, you can always go back, or you can click on your activity and you can get to your activity page. Next, we will look at how to add animation to your slide. Let's say I have 3 images and I want them to not show all at once and move across my slide. I will select my first image and select the option to animate, which is at the top of the tabs. By selecting my object, will automatically show a fade-in option, which is on click, or you can have it automatically once the slide has changed. Now I can also add an animation to make it disappear or fade out after it appears. When I play, and then it disappears. You can make it fast or slow. Then to create the other animation, I will select that image, add animation, which will then fade in, but I want it to appear after the previous. So, or let it show up while the other one is disappearing, and it will fade in with previous, and then I can make it disappear after previous, and then I can do the same for my third. Let's see what it looks like. Present mode, and I will see. How are you? Good to know. Thank you for watching.